Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we are looking at how to create a folder to upload files in Google Drive. So to start with, you need to navigate to your Google Drive account. So from the Google browser, all you need to do is click on Google Apps and then click on Google Drive to get to your account. From there, we're going to create our folder. So the top left, we're going to click on New, and the top option is New Folder. So I'm going to click on that, and you'll be prompted to name your folder. So I'm just going to call it Test 1, and then click Create. And you should be able to see your folders straight away. So I can click on it to add stuff to it. So I'm going to click on it. And now I'm in my folder. So you have different options here. You can create subfolders within your folder, or you can just upload files, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to click on New, File, Upload, and find a file to add to my folder. So I'm going to click on it, click Open, and that file will be added to the folder. Once you have your folder created, you have different options. You can share it with people by clicking on the folder name and then share. You can copy the link to give to people, or you can add people to share the folder with and give them different amounts of access. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.